Welcome in downtown Las Vegas. We are here in front, Main Street Station, where we'll be staying for the upcoming 2 nights. So let's head inside and explore this property. Welcome to our room at the Main Street Station in downtown Las Vegas. This is the deluxe room, so let's take you on a little tour. So starting off with this nice little seating area. Unfortunately, there's only one chair, but that doesn't matter. The chair is gonna be for me tomorrow morning for my coffee, so no discussion about that. We have some nice little desk area where hubby can do the YouTube work, which is perfect. Nice shutters here. You can open it. We have a view of the freeway, which you can, well, hear a little bit, but you know, it will be fine in the middle of the night, so we'll be good. Next, TV. Some drawers where you can put some clothes in. And then again, I love the fact that this has a fridge as well. On top of it, you have a little safe where you can just put your passport in or anything else. I really like this big mirror. You can do your fit check if you're heading to Freeman Street. Behind me, pretty small bathroom with like a separate area for all your toiletries, a sink, very good lighting to do your makeup, so I really like that. Hairdryer, and then we have a separate area for the restroom and the shower, which you're gonna make sure that it's pretty low, so do not bump your head into it. Looks clean, looks nice. This is pretty small, but well, we'll see how that is when we take a shower. You have some shampoo, conditioner, and body wash as well. Area is pretty big. I think like 3 people can fit in here. So yeah, it's actually not too bad. So here we are for the most important part of a room tour, which is the bed test. I'm gonna test that bed, take off my flip-flops, and here we go! Oh, that is like extreme soft. I like the 3 pillows, it's really, really soft. I'll let you know in my final thoughts if it's good, but for now it is sandy-proof. Blah blah blah. As professional as we are, we didn't switch on our microphones, but what I wanted to say here is that we wanted to have a look at how long it takes us to get from Main Street Station to the beginning of Freeman.
Blah, blah, blah. Again, so professional. But it took us 4.5 minutes to get from Main Street Station to Fremont.
My disappointment is immeasurable.
We are here at Main Street Station Hotel in downtown Las Vegas, where the only buffet is left here. So let's head inside and check it out. So we got seated here. It took a little while because it is a Saturday night. It is almost 7 p.m. So we have 2 hours to eat, to stuff our faces. So let's get started. Little warning for you, I eat with my hands. I'm sorry. So this is the bridge which connects the Main Street Station Hotel to the California Hotel, which is this little sister property. If you want to use the gym or the pool, you have to go to the California Hotel. So that's where we're heading right now. Get it? We got seated here at the Market Street Cafe, located in a California hotel in downtown Las Vegas. We also want to show you a cheap eat which has table service, not only a food court or a food hall options. So we are ordering the Deuces Wild. That is 2 eggs, 2 bacon, 2 sausage. And it comes with buttermilk pancakes for only $14.99. Then we have a ribeye steak and eggs. 2 eggs, char-grilled ribeye steak, hash brown potatoes, and toast as well, only for $23.99. So we're gonna put our order in and let's see how it looks. Food has arrived. So we were like thinking about why this hotel is called California Hotel, because it's like all Hawaiian themed. Like everything is Hawaiian here. They have like Hawaiian shirts, like and Hawaiian themed food and everything. So the owner was struggling like back in the days. So they thought it was a good idea, a travel agency, to bring Hawaiian people to the California Hotel in downtown Las Vegas. So everywhere we look around us, I think we are like the only Europeans here. I think the rest is from Hawaii. So, and we love Hawaii, so we love everything Hawaiian themed. Now we're gonna try the food. Pancakes. Just start off with the pancakes. Little dip. Just dip it. Tastes really, really nice. All right. We're gonna try everything else and then I'll let you know. Finished all our foods. The only thing the both of us didn't really like were the hash browns, but everything else, even the steak for this price, was actually really, really good. So the total is $50.89, including tax, excluding any tip. I would say this is a cheap eat. It's like 25 bucks per person, and it's a lot. So you can see this even as a breakfast and a lunch together. So the only thing you need after this is dinner. So I would say do.
We had many technical issues making this video for you guys. So if you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I really hoped you liked the video. Overall, we really liked our stay at the Main Street Station Hotel. We paid for 2 nights 180 euros. Our room was very nice. It was clean. The staff was very friendly. We had a good time. It is very close to Fremont Street, but you do not get all the busy and noise from Fremont Street. Let me know in the comments if you want us to do a redo of our stay at Main Street Station Hotel downtown Las Vegas. Like, subscribe, you know what to do, and we will see you in the next video. Bye bye!